Hey everyone, so I just wanted to give you a quick demo on how the image converter works. So the image converter we've created is completely free. You can add as many files as you want. There's no restriction. We support a couple of formats such as JPEG, PNG, AVIF, GIF, TIFF, all these image-based formats. So to get started, we'll simply choose our files. So for this, we'll select all these images which we would like to convert. We'll click on open. You can upload them by choosing files, or you can just drag and drop these images. So now you can see we've uploaded all our images over here, and to get started you can simply click on start conversion. But before that, if you want to adjust the quality of the images, so basically what this will do is this will reduce the quality a bit, and it will also help reduce the file size. So for this we'll just keep the quality at 100, and we'll click on start conversion. So you also have to select the file type to which you have to convert to. So we'll select PNG, and now we'll click on start conversion, and this will instantly just convert all your files. So it converts 5 images at a time, and once it has done that, it'll move on to the next image, and once it has been converted, you'll be able to download the image individually, or you'll be able to download the image all at once in one zip file. So this is how it works. You can you can add hundreds of images to convert. There's no restriction. It's completely free. There's no paywall, nothing for you to pay. So that's how we wanted to keep it. And as you can see, if you want, you can download these files individually, or you could so let's suppose the best feature which we've integrated with this converter tool is that you can edit your images. So for example, we have this particular image which we would like to edit. We can simply click on edit PNG, and this will open our design tool, and you can see we have the image over here. And now if you want, you can add captions to it, you could add icons, you can add elements, you can add all these bunch of different tools we've put together for you in this design tool. And once you're done, you can simply download your image. So this is a pretty neat feature which we've added, which lets you add some small touch-ups and adjustments to your image, and such as if you would like to crop your image, if you would like to resize your image. Let's suppose we just take this image. Now over here you could see you could resize your image to predefined formats, social media, all these different formats which we have. You could remove background from your image, you could add captions to it, you could resize, you could use a photo editing toolkit, all these effects and filters which you have. So there's lots and lots of tools and effects you could add to your image, and once you're done, you could simply just download this in a bunch of different formats. So this was just a quick overview on how to use the image converter tool. And lastly, as I said, once all the conversion has been done, you could just simply click on download all, and it will give you all the images in one zip file. Thank you.